Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today we are going to prepare a quick recipe which takes 5 ingredients and can be prepared in just 5 minutes. It is delicious pesto sauce. So why should you buy a store-bought one when we can prepare this yummy pesto sauce at home in just 5 minutes? Let's see how to prepare this sauce. Here you can see a mortar and pestle. We can add ingredients one by one to the mortar pestle and make a smooth pesto sauce, but I am going to show a quick version of it. For this, in a mixer jar, I am going to take 1 cup of fresh basil leaves. If you do not have basil leaves, I am going to prepare another video for an alternative for this recipe. Add almonds, 1/4 cup of parmesan. The original recipe calls for pine nuts, but as an alternative I am using almonds. Next add 4 to 5 garlic pods. These are big ones. If you use small, add 8. Add some salt to taste. Pour oil slowly while still mixing if you are using a food processor. Since I am using a mixer jar, I am adding little by little and blending everything to form a smooth paste. You can see the pesto sauce is ready. You can also squeeze some fresh lemon to it, which is completely optional. Now add some more olive oil for long storage. You can even use the leftover pesto sauce on a grilled sandwich and salmon. You can also store in tiny containers and use it as and when needed. Please do try and let us know in comments. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!